Yes, Gary TV again. Today I have Toyota Mark X 250G capacity, and my customer had a complaint that it has a check engine light. When you are driving, especially climbing the lane, it loses power. Another thing, consumption is beyond normal. I mean it's high. So first thing I need to diagnose using auto scanner. Look, engine has 5 faults. Let us see.
It's okay.
Come on, baby. We have ignition coil A, primary stock secondary, code P0351 and P0354, ignition coil D, primary stock secondary. Then finally is startability. Those are 3 main faults we need to solve. Right now we have 3 things we need to do. Those main things: one, we have to change 2 shooting coils, the primary A and the primary D. And another thing, we need to change all plugs. There are 6 plugs. And finally, we need to do some service. The vehicle was out of service. After that, after doing some service, we need to erase all codes and we test the vehicle. Let us see the message. The engines are scanning, no fault, everything's no fault. Now we are okay. Thanks for watching.